Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Unice hair. Big thank you to Unice for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. Y'all, Unice has crochet. Unice has crochet. Let's get into it. So I have 4 bundles of their Burmese curly in 20 inches, and I installed all 4 bundles. So for this install I did something a little different. My braid pattern, I did flat twists in the front and braids in the back. The reason I did flat twists was because I was looking for something that was going to be less tension on my hair. And then the reason I did the braids in the back is because the braids, I can secure the flat twist into the braids, and then my foundation will be straight. You know, it'll be super secure. So that's what I did. I am installing it the way I usually do, which is the push pull loop method. I push the needle, attach the hair, pull it through, then loop it one time. Push pull loop is the easiest way that I could explain it, and I space these out accordingly. Now what I love about the flat twist as opposed to the cornrows, I feel like the flat twist are more forgiving when it comes to parts in the scalp. I feel like I see less parts when I use the flat twist method. So that is something that I think I'll be doing moving forward. And of course you can always make smaller flat twists if that's something you want to do. So I'm going to space these out, and I'm going to finish one side. So once one side is finished, then I'm going to move along to the back. Then I'm going to come around and complete the other side. So I basically went in a circle. You can do this however you want. I know some people like to start in the back, get the back out the way, similar to like braids or boho braids, and then the front. I just do whatever I'm feeling that day, especially depending on how much hair I am installing. I love this hair. It is super lightweight, and yes baby, you can get it on Amazon. They have it in 14 inches all the way to 20 inches, and they have a Burmese curly texture, and they also have a water wave texture. So the hair is a feather crochet. It's very lightweight. You can use this for miracle knots. You can use this for half crochet installs. You could do crochet with leave out. Crochet is really making a comeback, because I remember back in the day, you said crochet, I was not trying to hear it. Now there's so many different ways to install crochet hair. I just love how far we've come with these hairstyles. So as you can see, this hair is very big. And one thing I love about this hair is these curls pop once I put water on here. I've had some hair that I've just preferred dry. This one is even more beautiful when I put the product in there. So here I'm just showing you the back. It is the same method for installation, push, pull, loop, and I fill this in, and then as I stated before, I make my way back to the front. This hair is, I can't get over how gorgeous this hair is. I have it in right now as I'm doing the voiceover, and I think I'm rocking this for the rest of the weekend. You know, I'll be switching hairstyles quick, but this hair is too pretty, and I believe I'm going to save this hair, because this in some boho braids, like, yeah. So I'm gonna pop back in a little bit. I'm gonna let you watch a little bit more, and then I'll pop back in. Okay, so now I've made my way further into the install. The back is completely done, and I am just filling in the side. So I don't know if it's coming across on camera the way it is in person, but the flat twists work so well, and I love it, especially because I have fine hair and I change my hair so much. The flat twist is the way to go. And if you're concerned about the flat twist not being secure enough, you are fine, especially if you use a braid gel or that type of product to do your foundation. You are set, especially if you braid it in the back. So this is what it's looking like. Absolutely gorgeous, all done. I'm gonna tame these edges a little bit off camera, then get into the styling. I used a little bit of water from my continuous spray bottle. I did not drench this. I just put enough so that once I put the mousse on there, you can really see these curls pop. There were a few pieces where I did like finger coils throughout, but baby, this hair is too pretty. The curl pattern is gorgeous. This is exactly like the finger coil Burmese curly wig that Unice offers, just in crochet. And look how full 4 bundles worked out. Like, this is 4 bundles of 20-inch hair. This goes for $79 per bundle on Amazon. Check the link in the description box. Check out the 2 textures that they have. So far, I am loving this. This is new to me. Shout out to Unice for popping out with the crochet. I'm going to add this to 2 playlists. I'm going to add this to my Unice hair playlist, and I'm going to add this to my crochet style playlist, so it will be on both. Big thank you to Unice for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna end the video just showing you a few different looks. I show you this in the middle part, side part, and what it would look like up, like in a high bun. And I did show you what the middle looks like, or the top rather. So don't forget to like this video before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.